This boat tour is fantastic. Dolphins, whales, snorkeling, and sea caves. You accomplish so much in this one tour. Look at these beautiful dolphins. I almost want to jump in and hug them. The waves at the sea cave are huge, but it is super fun. Isn't this rock awesome? And the whales, they are so close. This is definitely the #1 activity during our trip. Another super fun activity is the mountain river tubing. It goes through 5 different tunnels. Some of them with rapid torrents, some of them are dark and narrow, but all of them are very exciting.
And it will be off like a turtle.
It can be relaxing like this. Or it can be out of control like this. Or it can be entertaining like this. In the end, it is all good, just a superb experience. We have been to multiple luau's, and this one is definitely the best. Small audience, close to the stage, and everyone has a great view of the performance. Of course, the highlight of the night is the fire dancing. The chief performing this just finished a trip to China to upgrade his skill sets. That's an awesome performance. I never understood how these hula dancers could twist their waist like that. And the buffet dinner, top-notch. A lot of different types of meats, vegetables and rices. All cooked to perfection and with great Hawaii flavor. I had to admit that I fed myself too much that night. Would you ever imagine that there's a mini Grand Canyon in Hawaii? It is like moving a portion of the Grand Canyon and putting it here. The only difference is, it is more green and with more layers of colors. This is definitely a must-see spot on the island. I have never seen more rainbows in any other places in my life than in Hawaii. And Lead Gate Park is the best place for snorkeling, hands down. It is a small and calm cove protected from the treacherous ocean. It offers a great place for kids to swim, for snorkeling too. Actually, it is the best snorkeling place I have been. Never seen such a large variety of fish in one single spot before. Now let's dive in and enjoy. If you love chocolate, you got to visit Lead Gate Chocolate Farm. Have you ever seen a real chocolate tree? Can you imagine the flowers growing directly from the main branch? You can find all kinds of tropical plants in the farm, tasting different tropical fruits. The white pineapple is phenomenal. Have fruit from the chocolate tree, tasting a lot of honey and chocolates. I ate more chocolate in one single day than the rest of the year. And they taste different, but all fantastic. In between, you learn so much about chocolate. The best dinner of this trip is from the Hualanis. First, the view is awesome. Look at the infinity pool. This lobster tempura dish is way too good. Tender and juicy, crispy from outside and tender from inside. This curry dish has a great combination of flavors, with a little twist of pineapple flavor added to it. And the ribs is Dylan's favorite. The waiter was so thoughtful that he presented Dylan with a dessert as a gift when he heard of his high school graduation. So sweet. Watching green sea turtles on Poipu Beach is one of the best free activities you can do on the island. There are so many of them, resting on the beach and enjoying their time. I was hoping that they could be a little bit more active. But with so many green sea turtles, it is still such a rare scenery to see. If you only have the time to visit one waterfall on the island, Waiua Fall is definitely the one to see. Grand, magnificent, beautiful and abundant. This fall is known for its appearance of the Fantasy Island TV show opening credits. The best ocean view comes from Kilauea Lighthouse. Blue ocean, white waves, soaring seabirds and picture perfect. I can stare at this view all day long. Our third Hawaii island never disappoints. We will be back again.